What are you doing on May the 6th and 7th? If your role involves ESG and/or HSE, then Berlin is the place to be for the HSE Nexus and Expo 2025. This premier event will bring together global HSE professionals and industry innovators, showcasing the latest advancements in health and safety, environment and ESG. So why should you attend? There's going to be cutting-edge insights from 25 plus industry leaders through inspiring presentation and panel discussions. We have exclusive networking sessions with key decision makers, hands-on experience with groundbreaking technologies shaping the future of HSE and ESG, in-depth discussions on the role of AI processes, safety and the importance of emotional intelligence for safety performance. We have exclusive after-conference reception. Take advantage of our informal networking reception, where you'll have the opportunity to engage directly with speakers and allow delegates in a relaxed and welcoming atmosphere. This conference is a must attend for everyone from C-suite executives to HSE managers and safety professionals. So don't miss out. Secure your ticket today and be part of the future of HSE and ESG. I, your chair, look forward to welcoming you to Berlin on May the 6th and 7th. I'll see you there.